Ladies and gentlemen and honorees, a very warm and a sunny welcome to you live from Singapore. My name is Nirav Patel. Welcome you all to the Middle East and Africa Innovation Awards 2025. Now, I would like to start by just apologizing for the slight delay to, of course, all of our honorees. There were a couple of our honorees who had last-minute changes to recipients, hence the delay. But we are delighted to be hosting you on this regional platform. And of course, for those of you familiar with the Digital Banker, we are a global assessment and accreditation body. We work with financial institutions across all continents and look at assessing all lines of business from retail and wealth management through to transaction and wholesale banking and of course private banking as well. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to start by thanking all of the participating institutions, not just the ones that have been recognized this afternoon, but of course those of you who did undertake the process of submitting for the MEA Innovation Awards. That is of course transaction banking and risk management. It really are your submissions that allows us to benchmark best practices. We are seeing a lot of innovation in this space, and of course the Digital Banker, as always, has its own proprietary trading methodology to undertake the assessment of where we rank banks across trade finance, cash management, payments and more. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we are seeing a lot of movement, a lot of investment from banks really racing to stay ahead of the curve. They're offering digital solutions, AI solutions, embedding this technology into the framework and offering transaction banking services at a more competitive rate than ever before. We're seeing trade corridors really open up and blossom in Middle East and Africa. And of course, I would say that Middle East is probably digitizing cash management faster than any other region. So this for us is a truly remarkable area. It really gives us great pleasure to be able to bring banks to this forefront, to this regional platform, and have a look at the investments and the initiatives they're driving to offer corporate treasurers, CFOs, and of course large institutions, innovative solutions across all facets of transaction banking. Now, you're certainly not here to hear me talk about the macros and the trends within the Middle East and Africa transaction banking environment. You're here to celebrate your success, you're here to celebrate your achievements, and of course to recognize your teams that are really putting the corporate customers at the forefront of everything they do. It's a tough environment to operate in. It is hard to consistently innovate and adapt to change, but we are seeing that, and the recipients today are here, and them being here is a real testament to the efforts we're seeing being driven within this arena. So ladies and gents, you will all be given an opportunity to say a few words. We highly recommend you do. Our job here is to provide this platform and to spotlight each and every initiative that has been recommended, that has been warranted acclaim this afternoon. And as forever, this is just a gala. This is an opportunity for you to celebrate. It's really the hard work that our teams will put in when we look at the narratives that we will disseminate across the arena, when we look at why a particular transaction bank or a particular project team within the bank were recognized actually under this year's award cycle. So please keep an eye out for our journalists and of course the post-awards insights report. Ladies and gents, that's enough for me for now. I will be seeing you a little bit later on, but let's start off with the very first awards category, which is the Digital Innovation Awards. Now, of course, this is a highly competitive category for reasons that do not need to be mentioned. But the very first of the 5 recipients that you're going to be seeing here today is for the Best Digital Asset Innovation. And your winner under the 2025 assessment cycle, ladies and gentlemen, is none other than Mashreq. And we are joined by their Vice President, Senior Manager of Innovation and Business Transformation, Krunal Shah. Krunal, it's great to see you live on screen, and I'm delighted to pass the floor to you for a few words.
Thank you. Thank you for the award. I have Rahul with me, who's our tech lead, who has been instrumental in developing this solution, and would like to thank him and the entire digital transformation team at Mashreq, the corporate digital transformation team. Thank you.
Thank you very much, gentlemen. Congratulations, of course, to Mashreq for the Best Digital Asset Innovation. Now we move over to the next award, which is for the Best Digital Innovation for Trading App. Unfortunately, the recipient of this award could not be here this afternoon, but you will get an opportunity to hear from them and what warranted this recognition at a later stage. It gives me great pleasure to introduce your winner, Al Ram's Trading App, and we will accept this award on their behalf. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming the next honoree, This time it's for the best payments platform initiative in Africa. And your winner, Absa Bank Mauritius, and we're joined by Sandeep Mohapatra, the Director, Head of Digital Transformation and Technology. Sandeep, it's a pleasure to see you live all the way from Mauritius. I'm going to pass the floor to you for a few words. Congrats.
Thank you, Nirav. I'm honored to accept the Best Payment Platform Initiative Award on behalf of Absa Bank Mauritius for our Spark Business app. This is an innovation that is truly born out of Absa's simple yet powerful belief that your story matters. Spark Business, by the way, is the first in Mauritius payment solution that was designed for businesses to collect and manage payments in a digital-first world. It empowers businesses to collect real-time, low-cost, omni-channel payment solutions directly from their smartphone and settle it into any account of their choice. So right from accepting a universal all-in-one QR to innovating a global QR for tourist payments, to enabling card tap and pay solutions without needing a POS, to enabling remote payments through SMS payment links, or even pay later transaction, Spark Business truly empowers our businesses to take complete control of their business into their fingertips. This award truly belongs to the Mauritian entrepreneurs who are the backbone of our economy, who are the dreamers, the doers, who inspire us to innovate and go the extra mile. So I would like to thank you once again from the Digital Banker team and to all our clients and the team who made this possible. Thank you, Nirav.
Thank you so much, Sandeep, and thank you for your words and sharing the insights and the work you're doing over there at Absa Mauritius. Now, ladies and gentlemen, that brings us to the penultimate recognition within the digital innovation category. And this, of course, is for the best supply chain finance platform initiative. And your winner this afternoon is First Abu Dhabi Bank, and here we have Shibin Parathan, the Director of GTB Trade Channels. Shibin, it's great to see you live. Over to you for a few words.
Hello, everyone. Good afternoon. First of all, many thanks to Digital Banker for this prestigious award. It's such an honor to receive it on behalf of First Abu Dhabi Bank for the Best Supply Chain Finance Initiative. And I would like to thank my all clients and extend my appreciation to all our valued clients for the support they provided. Thank you, Digital Banker, once again.
Thank you, Shibin, and of course, congratulations to First Abu Dhabi Bank, otherwise known as FAB, for the Best Supply Chain Finance Platform Initiative. This then brings us over to the final award within the digital innovation category, and this is now assessing excellence in digital innovation. And of course, this is a highly competitive category. We received a number of submissions for this, and judging was no easy feat, but it is my pleasure to introduce your winner, none other than Mashrik, and we are joined by the Vice President of Digital Products, Kashif Kidwai. I think, Kashif, you were going to give us a smile in a way, but you're very welcome to say a few words if you so wish to do so.
Thank you, Nirav. I would like to thank the Digital Banker team for this recognition, and I'm honored to accept this award on behalf of the entire advanced analytics team at Mashriq. And of course, this reflects our collective efforts and commitment, and I'm proud to be part of such a dedicated group. Thank you once again to the Digital Banker team. Over to you, Nirav.
Fantastic. Thank you so much, Kashif, and congratulations to Mashreq for being recognized for excellence in digital innovation. Now, esteemed honorees, ladies and gentlemen, and for those of you joining us live via social media and, of course, on the virtual awards stream, we're going to now introduce the Transaction Banking Service Awards category. Again, there are 5 institutions that have been recognized, or 5 awards, rather, that are going to be announced this afternoon live from Singapore. The very first of which is this recipient, will actually be recognized for 2 awards. And that is the Best Mobile App for Corporates, and the second of which is the Best Virtual Accounts Initiative. And it gives me great pleasure to introduce your winner, First Abu Dhabi Bank, and we're joined by Shigi Matthew, the Executive Director, Head of Payments Channel. Congratulations to yourself and, of course, the entire team. We'd like to pass it over to you for a few words.
Thank you, Digital Banker, for this award. It's a proud moment for all of us. I would like to extend this appreciation to our valued clients and to my team. Thank you.
Thank you very much, and congratulations to First Abu Dhabi Bank for those 2 awards. Ladies and gents, we're now going to introduce the second winner within the transaction banking service category, who have also been recognized for one outstanding account opening and onboarding initiative. Now, for those of you who joined us at the Digital CX Awards in Singapore, which ran live last year, this is a highly competitive category. We received not just nominations in transaction banking, but of course, retail banking, wealth management, private banking, and insurance as well. It's an area we're seeing a lot of investment and innovation in. So I'm delighted to introduce your winner, Mashrek Bank. And of course, we have Kashif Hafiz, who is the Senior Vice President of Digital Business Solutions and Client Journeys. Now, Kashif, it's great to see you live on screen. Over to you for a few words.
Thank you very much. And thanks to the team and Mashrek leadership, actually, that really guided us to just build this robust platform. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Kashif, and congratulations to Mashrek. This brings us over to the next award, which is the Outstanding Cross-Border Payment Solution for Corporates. This is a highly acclaimed recognition. And your winner here is BSF. And we are joined by the Head of Liquidity and Cash Management Solutions, Ahmed Alben Saleh. Ahmed, it's great to see you live. Over to you for a few words.
Thanks a lot. We are very honored to accept this award. Actually, that shows how important basically the teamwork is. And we are really proud to be part of the, I would say, innovators among our peers, especially the bankers who joined us here. And thanks again.
Thank you very much, Ahmed. It's great to see you live. Congratulations to BSF. Now, this brings us to the final award within the transaction banking service category. And this, of course, is the Outstanding Supply Chain Finance Solution, a familiar institution from this afternoon. And this award goes to First Abu Dhabi Bank. And we're joined by Noura Bachman, the Executive Director, GTB SCF Onboarding. Noura, it's great to see you. Over to you for a few words.
Thank you so much. Good afternoon to Singapore. And thank you, Digital Banker, for recognizing First Abu Dhabi Bank for this award. And I would also like to thank my team and our customers for their continuous support. Thank you again.
Thank you so much, Noura. Thank you for representing First Abu Dhabi Bank for the Outstanding Supply Chain Finance Solution. Now, for those of you joining us, or for those of you who are just joining us, we are now about to move into the technology category. We have one award recipient that we are recognizing this year. This is a very important award to, of course, assess in terms of what's happening within the investment across AI. So we're going to be looking at the best AI initiative. And the winner of this institution will be represented by 2 executives. But let me introduce your winner first, and that is Mashrek once again. And we're joined by Deepa Arora, who is SVP Advanced Analytics Risk and Reg Digital Journey. And she is joined by Rahul Juneja, the Assistant Vice President of Tech Solutions Manager. Over to you guys for a few words.
Thank you, Digital Banker, for recognizing our effort. Really appreciate. And thank you, Mashrek leadership team and the colleagues, my partner Rahul, and the technology team and the entire digital studio, who's helping us to build an innovative platform which is built on the principles of AI, where we are using the power of machine learning, AI, generative AI, most recently agentic solutions, to leverage the power of structured, unstructured data and identifying opportunities for growth of Mashrek for their clients, how to fast turnaround time, how to shorten the turnaround times for our onboarding processes or credit decisioning processes. So how we can leverage the emerging technologies to really infuse the power of the data as well as the systems that we enable, the solutions that we enable. This is helping us to build these kinds of use cases and see how we can create a better ecosystems and enhance our financial inclusions as well as enhance the solutions for our clients much more better structured way. Thank you so much. And congratulations to all the fellow participants. I think all of you together are helping us to raise the bar every single day and create a better ecosystem as together we are going. Rahul, if you want to say a few.
Oh, thanks a lot.
It's a great initiative, and we're honored to receive this award. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Thank you so much, Deepa and Rahul, and of course, congratulations for the Best AI Initiative. Now, ladies and gentlemen, before we move over to the next category, of course, my personal congratulations to all the institutions that have been recognized thus far. And of course, congratulations to all of those that submitted but may not have been successful under this year's assessment cycle. Now, this program has fast become probably the world's largest, or one of the world's largest data repositories when we look at the risk management and transaction banking within Middle East and Africa. And what I mean by that is the number of submissions we receive year on year always grow, sometimes exponentially. And we can really clearly see where investments are being made. We can see customer pain points, or corporate pain points rather, and the pain you're trying to alleviate when it comes to your corporate treasurer, CFO, and various other clients across large-scale corporates. Great to see the movement of trade corridors between Middle East and Africa, and of course technology-based enhancements and digitization across cash management and various other aspects of transaction banking services. Now, there's too much to describe here in one go. I'm certainly not going to try and attempt that during an awards gala, but I'm delighted to let you know that we will be publishing a lot of information from actionable insights through to post-awards insights as well. Hopefully something that senior representatives and senior executives within large-scale transaction banks can actually take and make use of. So get in touch with our teams for that. And we will also be sharing the recognition of all of you so far, as well as your award speeches across our online and offline channels. Now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time for the country awards category, and we're going to dive straight in. We have 11 awards to provide, or to hand out rather, this year. The first organization is being recognized for 2 awards, and that is for the Best Bank for Cash Management in Saudi Arabia. And second is the Best Bank for Transaction Banking Services in Saudi Arabia. And it gives me great pleasure to reintroduce a familiar winner from this afternoon, and that is none other than BSF Bank. And we're joined once again by Ahmed Al-Ben Saleh, who's Head of Liquidity and Cash Management Solutions. Ahmed, look, congratulations for these 2 remarkable achievements. They're big awards, right? Saudi Arabia is a market that is moving fast, and there's some great things happening there. So delighted to have you with us. I'm going to pass it to you for a few words.
Thanks a lot. Actually, I will pass my thanks and congrats to the team and to the other basically banks who tried to participate and to compete us in this award. Winning this award by itself, it's a real testimony of our hard work and our ambitions to reach a new heights year on year. We will keep trying hard to raise the bar basically for the competitors and to introduce more services to our clients. Again, thank you for this recognition.
Thank you very much, Ahmed, and congratulations to BSF for those 2 remarkable awards. We'll now move over to the next winner, and a large institution, of course, but they have been recognized for 2 awards as well. The first of which, and this is, of course, ladies and gentlemen, remember, under the country awards category. The first award is the Best Bank for Cash Management in Qatar. The other award is for the Best Bank for for Trade Finance in Qatar. And your winner is Qatar National Bank, or QNB, as they're also known. And we're joined by the Manager of Global Channels and Partnerships Management, Ms. Munna Al-Sulaiti. Munna, it's great to see you on screen. I think you may have gestured that you're going to give us a smile and a wave, but you're very welcome to say a few words if you wish.
Thank you, the Digital Banker, for this award. We are really appreciated for it and for the recognition that the QNB is having. Thank you a lot.
Thank you so much, Munna, and congratulations to QNB. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we're about to move over to the next award, which is the Best Bank for Cash Management in UAE. This institution has also been recognized for the Best Bank for Payments and Collections in the United Arab Emirates as well. So there's 2 awards this institution is being recognized for under the country category. And your winner is First Abu Dhabi Bank, and we are joined by the Managing Director and Head of Payments, Collections and Implementations, Anand Sampath. Anand, it's great to see you live on screen. Over to you for a few words.
Likewise, great to see you all. I would like to thank Digital Banker for recognizing FAP for the Best Bank for Cash Management, as well as Best Bank for Payments and Collections Award. And I would like to extend my sincere appreciation to our clients for their constant support and all the internal teams that made it happen. Over to you.
Thank you so much, Anand, and congratulations to FAB for these 2 awards and, of course, the other recognitions received a little bit earlier on. We are now going to move over to the best bank for transaction banking services in United Arab Emirates. And it's no surprise your winner is the First Abu Dhabi Bank, and we are joined by Al Ali, the head of GTB sales, Dubai and Northern Emirates. It's great to see you. Over to you for a few words.
Thank you, Digital Bankers, for this award. We are so delighted, and I'm honored to accept this award. The biggest thanks that goes to the colleagues who work religiously and hard for this award. I would like to dedicate this for the entire team of FAB, and thank you for this recognition.
Thank you very much, and thank you for representing First Abu Dhabi Bank for the best bank for transaction banking services, United Arab Emirates. Now, ladies and gents, it's time to move to South Africa, where we are going to assess the best bank for trade finance in the country. And your winner is none other than First National Bank, and we're joined by the head of structured trade and commodity finance, Cornelius Yakale. I hope I've pronounced your surname correctly, Cornelius, and I think the N may be silent.
Okay, that's correct. Thank you. Yeah, that's correct. So I think as FNB, we're truly honored and humbled to receive such a prestigious award. I think this award is a true testament of the hard work and dedication we have invested in our processes, product development and markets, and I'm so grateful for this opportunity. I promise we will continue to strive for excellence in innovation, with the result delivering good product and services to our clients. This award would not be possible without the support of my incredible team, and I want to thank them for their hard work and dedication. And lastly, thank you to the Digital Banker for this incredible recognition.
Thank you so much, Cornelius, and congratulations for being recognized for the best bank for trade finance in South Africa. Now, we are going to move over to Zambia, where we're going to look at the best bank for trade finance there. Now, your winner is, once again, First National Bank. And we are going to welcome back Cornelius, who's going to accept this award on behalf of Zambia. Of course, we've just heard from Cornelius, but I think you're going to say a few words for your colleagues over there.
Yeah, thank you. So unfortunately, my colleagues could not join this meeting, and I think this is the first time they actually win this award. It will mean a lot for them from because they started, obviously, this journey probably a year or two ago. So for them to actually now win this award, I think it means a lot for them. So thank you.
Absolutely. And thank you for representing on their behalf. Congratulations to FNB for those 2 remarkable achievements. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to the UAE, where we look at the best bank for trade finance. And we're also going to look at a regional category for the best bank for trade finance in the Middle East. Now, your winner here is First Abu Dhabi Bank, and we're joined by Aniruddha Pant, the Managing Director and Head of GTB Trade Finance Product Initiative. Aniruddha, it's great to see you live. I'm going to pass it over to you for a few words.
Yeah, sure. Thank you. Just want to thank Digital Banker for this recognition. We will continue to work together with our clients in delivering world-class service to them. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Congratulations to FAB. Now, honorees, ladies and gentlemen, and for those watching us live, we are going to move over to the regional category. We have 5 to announce this year, and the first of which looks at North Africa as a region, where we are undertaking the assessment of best bank for cash management. And your winner is Emirates NBD Egypt. We are joined by the head of corporate and institutional banking, Mr. Tamer Ragheb. Tamer, it's great to see you. Over to you.
Yeah, thanks. I'm happy and honored to receive this award. It has been great efforts. I want to recognize my colleagues, Rudy Nabil, the head of transactional banking, Medhat Zidane, the head of portfolio management and cash management, for the relentless work and efforts to turn around everything we wanted to do last year. In our environment, we see that 24/7 capabilities is very important, very dynamic. With so many things happening around us, keeping customer focus. Thanks again for the entire team and our customers who support us and trusting what we are doing. Thanks for the award.
Thank you very much, Tamer, and congratulations to Emirates NBD for being recognized for the best bank for cash management in North Africa. Ladies and gents, we will now be announcing the next winner who has been recognized under this regional category for 2 awards, and that is the best bank for cash management in Middle East. And they've also been recognized for the best bank for payments and collections in the Middle East. Your winner here is First Abu Dhabi Bank, and I would like to welcome Bank Anand Sampath, who will be accepting this award on behalf of colleagues, I believe. But Anand, it's great to see you. Thank you for representing. I'm going to pass it over to you to say a few words.
Thank you once again, and thanks Digital Banker team for recognizing First Abu Dhabi Bank for the best cash management for both UAE and best cash management for Middle East, as well as the payments and collection support for Middle East. And then we would like to extend our sincere appreciation to our clients and the internal teams that made it happen. Thank you once again.
Thank you so much, Gautam. Thank you for representing. Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to introduce the next 2 awards within the regional award category. This is going to the same institution. The first one is the best bank for supply chain finance in United Arab Emirates. That is a country award. The second one is a regional category where we look at the best bank for supply chain finance in the Middle East overall. Okay, and your winner is, once again, please welcome First Abu Dhabi Bank and your Executive Director, GTB SCF Onboarding, Nora Buchman, to say a few words.
Thank you, Nirav. Thank you again. Thank you, Digital Banker, again for recognizing First Abu Dhabi Bank as the best bank for supply chain finance in UAE and best bank for supply chain in Middle East overall. And I would like to thank our colleagues, our senior team, and of course, our customers for their never-ending support. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Nora, and congratulations for those 2 remarkable recognitions under this year's award cycle. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I believe we are quite close to concluding. We're going to move over to the Risk Management Awards category. Now, we have a few awards to announce under this category. The very first of which is the Best Bank for Payments and Collections in Africa, and that is a regional award. The second is for the Outstanding Achievement in Operational Risk Management in the Middle East and Africa. And your winner here is Nedbank, and we are joined by the Managing Executive Client Debt Management and Recoveries, Nozizwe Sabuse. And it's great to see you online live. I'm going to pass it over to you for a few words.
Thank you so much. A huge thanks to Digital Banker for this very great recognition. As one of South Africa's leading financial institutions, we are guided by our clear and powerful purpose, and that is to use our financial expertise to do good. This purpose certainly drives how we serve our clients, support our communities, and shape the future of banking. I want to take this opportunity to acknowledge the Nedbank Client Debt and Management Recoveries team for managing to rehabilitate well over 1.6 million customers in South Africa, Nedbank clients, but also in the innovation in improving payment success, as well as developing early warning signal systems that help us to manage our clients that are at risk. We are especially proud of this as Nedbank. We are proud of our innovative payment solutions, from intelligent digital platforms to rapid payments and cost-effective payment devices. To all our clients, all our partners, all our colleagues, thank you so much for your trust. And to the Nedbank board and the Nedbank retail and business banking executive team, all the strategic partners, just a big thank you, because you have been a huge part of this success. This award reaffirms our commitment to protecting our clients' interests and continuously innovating to meet their evolving needs. From our side, thank you so much. And this recognition is greatly appreciated. Thank you.
That's fantastic. Thank you for your words, Nozizwe, and thank you for representing Nedbank for those 2 remarkable achievements, and great to mention your clients as well. We look forward to putting this work out there in the regional arena. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I am going to introduce the next award, which is for the Outstanding Achievement in Credit Risk Management in the Middle East and Africa. And once again, your winner is Nedbank. And we are going to be joined by the Managing Executive of Solution Innovation, Ibrahim Jadwat. Ibrahim, it's great to see you. Over to you for a few words.
Thank you very much, and thank you to the Digital Banker for this prestigious award.
It's a reflection of a combination of a lot of effort from an integrated risk management set of disciplines across the lines of defense. And this has culminated in what we've seen in the improvement in the year-on-year performance on the credit risk metrics, particularly along the lines of the impairment charge and the credit loss ratio. And as I've said, this could not have been done without the support of the operational teams, my fellow colleagues, both within the Nedbank Group executive, as well as within the retail and business banking executive. So just a real kudos to all of them involved in this. Definitely not a one-person show, but a collective effort, and demonstrates the importance that Nedbank places in terms of risk management as a discipline to be able to be an enabler, to be able to drive performance. Thank you.
Thank you for sharing, Ibrahim, and of course, congratulations for the outstanding achievement in credit risk management in Middle East and Africa. Ladies and gentlemen, that actually brings us over to the final award of the evening. Now, this is a regional award category we go back to. For those of you just joining us, this is, of course, the risk management category. The reason we have a regional award is to try and accommodate those who are unable to make that segment. And of course, that's our priority here, to give you the platform. So I'm going to introduce the best bank for transaction banking services overall in Africa. And the winner here is Nedbank. And we're going to be joined by Dayalan Govender, who is the Managing Executive of Solution Innovation. Dayalan, it's great to see you live on screen. You're looking well. Over to you for a few words.
Yeah, thank you. And I'm deeply honored to be accepting this award on behalf of Nedbank. The recognition by the digital banker reflects the hard work and dedication of our entire Nedbank team, who strive every day to deliver seamless and innovative transaction solutions to our clients. I'm grateful to our clients who we dedicate this award to for trusting us to deliver world-class, future-forward solutions every day, and to all the Nedbankers for the relentless commitment to excellence. To my colleagues, your brilliance turns vision into reality every day, and this recognition truly inspires us to keep pushing boundaries and bring the most rewarding experiences to our clients. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Dayalan, and congratulations to Nedbank for the best bank for transaction banking services in Africa overall. Now, ladies and gents, that actually concludes the 2025 award ceremony, or virtual award ceremony, for the Middle East and Africa Innovation Awards. Of course, a remarkable congratulations and a sincere congratulations to all of you that actually submitted this year. For those of you who were successful and recognized today, the digital banker will make concerted efforts to ensure that the narratives are positioned in the right channels across the right time to the organizations to which you wish to reach them. And of course, for us, it is an opportunity to really assess the movements, the investments, and the advancements of not just technology, but services and various other facets of transaction banking within the regional arena. Now, we hope to see some of you, of course, for those of you in transaction banking, it won't be relevant, but some of you we look forward to meeting live in Singapore on the 4th of June at our Global Private Banking Innovation Awards 2025. That is in its 8th year. And for those of you who attended the Digital CX Awards just 2 weeks ago in Singapore, that was our largest program to date. I think over 130 institutions were recognized, and we sifted through 900 submissions. When we look at transaction banking in the Middle East and Africa, we see no signs of innovation and investment slowing down. Banks cannot afford to be complacent and, of course, sit behind. The investment in technology will continue to grow. The continuous innovation, the continuous movements in transaction banking, from cash management, trade finance to payments, collections, etc., will continue to see significant upshifts. And of course, there is the movements of geopolitics involved as well. So not an easy job cut out for transaction banks, but tons of opportunity. And we will be publishing our insights very soon. But ladies and gentlemen, for those of you who have been recognized this afternoon and those of you who did submit but may not have been successful, thank you so much. It is these efforts, it's your submissions that allows us to benchmark the best practices and rank banks where they should be. So from me, Nirav Patel, Managing Editor of The Digital Banker, it's nothing but thank you and congratulations, and we'll see you soon all next year. All the best. Bye-bye.